Have you ever wondered why some people seem to build wealth effortlessly, quietly amassing savings and investments while living a life of calm contentment? The answer may not lie in a secret formula, but rather in a set of time-honored principles deeply woven into Japanese culture. Today, I'm taking you on a journey into the heart of 5 Japanese wealth secrets, simple yet powerful habits that anyone can adopt to transform their financial future. The question is, can I really implement them and retire rich? Let's find out step by step. Picture this. You're stuck in a cycle of living paycheck to paycheck, constantly juggling bills and feeling like you're treading water. You've tried the usual advice, cutting expenses, skipping lattes, maybe putting a little aside in a savings account or dabbling in stocks. But the results just aren't there. The sacrifices feel endless, and the rewards, if any, are slow to appear. The idea of investing feels risky, even overwhelming, and debt seems like an unavoidable part of life. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. But what if there's another way, a set of principles that quietly build wealth over time, no matter your starting point? Let's begin with the first secret, frugality, or as it's known in Japan, kin. Frugality isn't about deprivation or living a joyless life. Instead, it's about being content with what you have and making mindful choices about how you spend your money. The Japanese approach to frugality is rooted in the belief that happiness does not come from possessions, but from simplicity and gratitude. For example, instead of constantly upgrading to the latest gadgets or buying a brand new car, many Japanese families opt for practicality, choosing reliable used vehicles or favoring public transportation. They focus on maintaining and repairing items instead of replacing them, and they find satisfaction in experiences rather than material goods. By shifting your mindset from "I need more" to "I have enough," you begin to liberate yourself from the endless cycle of consumption. This frees up resources that can be directed towards savings and investment, setting the stage for long-term wealth. The second secret is the habit of saving, a practice so deeply ingrained in Japanese culture that it often starts in childhood. Many children receive a piggy bank, or chokenbako, and are encouraged to save part of their allowance or gifts. As adults, this habit continues. The Japanese typically save a significant portion of their income every month, regardless of how much they earn. A common rule of thumb is to save at least 20% of your income before considering discretionary spending. This automatic saving mechanism builds a cushion over time, creating a sense of security and providing the capital needed for future investment. The key here is consistency. Even small amounts, saved regularly, can add up to substantial sums through the power of compounding. By making saving non-negotiable, a fixed expense, like rent or utilities, you create a solid foundation for wealth that grows quietly over the years. Now, let's turn to the third secret, investing wisely. In Japan, investment is approached with care and patience. Rather than chasing quick returns or speculative fads, the focus is on long-term, sustainable growth. Many Japanese investors favor diversification, spreading their assets across stocks, bonds, and real estate. They are cautious, preferring slow and steady gains to risky, high-stakes gambles. This principle can be applied anywhere. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket, consider a diversified investment portfolio. You don't have to be an expert to get started. Low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, can provide broad exposure to the market while minimizing fees. The essence of this secret is to invest consistently, weathering the ups and downs of the market, and allowing your money to grow over decades. Even modest returns, when compounded over time, can lead to significant wealth. The fourth secret is perhaps the most critical: avoiding debt. In Japanese culture, debt is viewed with great caution, especially high-interest consumer debt. Credit cards are used sparingly, and personal loans are generally avoided unless absolutely necessary. The reason is simple: debt, particularly when it comes with steep interest rates, can quickly erode your financial stability. Every dollar spent on interest is a dollar that could have been saved or invested. To implement this secret, start by reviewing your current debts and making a plan to pay them off as quickly as possible. Prioritize high-interest debts first, then work your way down. Once you're debt-free, commit to staying that way, using credit only when you can pay the balance in full each month. The freedom from debt not only reduces stress, but also unlocks more resources for wealth creation. Finally, the fifth secret: patience. Perhaps more than any other culture, the Japanese understand the value of taking the long view. Wealth is not built overnight. It is the result of consistent, disciplined action over many years. This patient approach is reflected in the concept of kaizen, continuous, incremental improvement. Instead of seeking shortcuts or miracle investments, focus on making small, positive changes to your financial habits. Trust in the process, knowing that wealth will grow slowly but surely if you stick to the plan. Patience also means riding out market fluctuations without panic, resisting the urge to cash out during downturns, and giving your investments time to recover and grow. Among these 5 secrets, one stands out as a true game changer: the power of compound interest. Compound interest is the phenomenon where your money earns money, and then that money earns even more money. It's been called the 8th wonder of the world for good reason. Imagine you save $1,000 every month for 10 years, earning an average annual return of 5%. At the end of that decade, you'd have over $150,000, not just from your savings, but from the interest your savings earned, and the interest that interest earned. The earlier you start, the more powerful this effect becomes. That's why the Japanese emphasis on starting young and saving consistently pays off so well over time. So, can you really implement these 5 Japanese wealth secrets and retire rich? The answer is yes, but it requires a shift in mindset and a commitment to long-term discipline. Start by embracing frugality. Take an honest look at your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back without sacrificing happiness. Next, automate your savings, treating them as a fixed expense rather than an afterthought. Explore simple, diversified investment options and commit to regular contributions, no matter how small. Avoid debt whenever possible and tackle any existing debts with determination. Most importantly, exercise patience and trust the process. The beauty of these secrets is their simplicity. They don't require a high income, advanced financial knowledge, or risky speculation. They are principles anyone can adopt, regardless of background or starting point. The Japanese approach to wealth is not about chasing the next big thing, but about cultivating good habits, making wise choices, and allowing time to do the heavy lifting. As you reflect on these 5 secrets: frugality, saving, investing wisely, avoiding debt, and patience, which one resonates with you the most? Is it the idea of living more simply, or the discipline of consistent saving? Perhaps the concept of compound interest has sparked your curiosity, or maybe the focus on patience offers a new perspective on your financial journey. Whatever the case, remember that the path to wealth is not a sprint, but a marathon. By incorporating these Japanese wealth secrets into your life, you set yourself on a course toward financial independence and the possibility of a comfortable, even early, retirement. So, the next time you wonder if it's possible to break free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, remember these 5 time-tested principles. With dedication and time, you too can build lasting wealth quietly, steadily, and with the wisdom of generations guiding you forward.